Lovely, so welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'll be showing you how I made this powdered ginger. Okay, this is powdered ginger. You can see how it's looking exactly like that of the one you buy at the supermarket. So lovely, here I've scraped the ginger, the skin. Okay, I've scraped the back as you can see, and I've washed it very well. Okay, so you can still see some ginger skin, I mean the back on the ginger, but it does not matter. Okay, they're all herbs. So actually I'm using this ginger for powdered ginger, but then I'll be extracting the juice before using the chaff for powdered. Okay, it's just like using the I'm using this ginger to make two things at a go. So to see how I extracted the juice, you can watch my previous video before this one. Okay, so you can see how I now cut the first batch. I just cut it very little so that it can dry faster. Okay, but if you don't want to dry it under the sun, you can use dehydrator if you have dehydrator, or use oven. You just turn your oven at the lowest heat. Okay, so it's looking like this because I extracted the juice from it first. Okay, so this is the chaff. I will now leave the chaff to dry under the sun. So I left the chaff to dry under the sun for 2 days. Okay, if you have the dehydrator, you can use it, or oven. Okay, depends your choice. So here is all dried now. As you can see, it's all well dried. I dry it under the sun for 2 days. Okay, so you can see some ginger strings or fiber on it. Okay, that's because I extracted the juice before sun dry it. That's why you see more of the ginger strings, but it doesn't mean anything. I will still grind all of them to become powder. Okay, so I will transfer all of them inside the blender now to blend it. Okay, so I'm using a strainer to strain the ones that are well blended. Okay, then I will turn back the fibers or the ginger strands back to the blender and blend it again. I will repeat this step till I blend all the ginger strands or fibers. Okay, so at this point I've blended it all, and I sieved it severally to make sure that there is no remaining fiber or strands in it. Okay, it is all ready now. You can see how it is looking exactly like the one you buy at the supermarket. So but you can do the same process with the skin, because there are those that grind the ginger with the skin. It's all your choice. It depends on the one you love. Okay, but I remove the skin. Thank you for watching to this moment, and shout out to my newest followers. See you on another video. Bye.